Once upon a time, in a small village in Italy, there lived a kind old woodcarver named Geppetto. He longed for a son of his own. One day, he carved a puppet from a magical piece of wood and named him Pinocchio. That night, a blue fairy appeared and brought Pinocchio to life, telling him he could become a real boy if he proved himself brave, truthful, and unselfish. Pinocchio was excited and curious about the world. But soon, he fell into trouble. He skipped school and joined a puppet show run by the evil Stromboli. When he tried to escape, Stromboli locked him in a cage. Thankfully, the blue fairy rescued him and reminded him to be good. However, Pinocchio's troubles didn't end. He met dishonest characters like the fox and the cat, who tricked him into planting gold coins in the Field of Miracles. Later, he visited Pleasure Island, where boys turned into donkeys. Pinocchio narrowly escaped and learned valuable lessons. In the end, Pinocchio saved Geppetto from a giant whale, showing true courage and love. The blue fairy rewarded him by turning him into a real boy. From that day on, Pinocchio was honest and kind, and he and Geppetto lived happily ever after.